BIS warns AI investment boom could trigger a painful bust. The Bank for International Settlements has cautioned that the unprecedented surge in AI investment could evolve into a damaging boom and bust cycle if spending continues to outpace sustainable returns. In its annual economic report, the five largest hyperscalers are on pace to spend more than $1 trillion on AI related capital expenditure across 2025 and 2026 combined, a scale already outpacing their earnings and free cash flow, forcing some to issue debt to cover the gap. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Drawing parallels with the railway, canal, and dot-com booms, the BIS notes each historical episode began with a genuine technological breakthrough that drew more capital than commercial returns could justify, and each ended with an investment reversal that triggered economy-wide recessions. BIS General Manager Pablo Hernandez de Cos said the race to capture market share may have led to overinvestment. The report flags financing structure as a key vulnerability. The BIS highlighted circular financing deals blending equity, debt, and supplier client contracts, such as chip makers and hyperscalers taking stakes in AI labs that then commit to long term chip or computing purchases, with terms of such arrangements often poorly disclosed. Systemic risk. Systemic risk से दोबारा बोल रही हूँ. Systemic risk is a growing concern. A large share of AI related debt flows through private credit channels and hedge funds rather than traditional banks, and BIS Asia Pacific representative Zhang Tao warned a correction could unwind much faster than previous banking crisis episodes given this lighter regulatory oversight. While AI remains a transformative technology, the report acknowledges productivity gains of 20 to 50% in time savings at the task level. The BIS's message is that disciplined investment, transparent financing, and prudent governance will determine whether the boom lands softly or ends in a broader financial reckoning. Let's look into today's headlines. NVIDIA brings high-end PC gaming service GeForce Now in India. NVIDIA has officially rolled out its GeForce Now cloud gaming service in India, enabling gamers to play high-end PC titles without the need for costly gaming hardware. Powered by NVIDIA's cloud infrastructure, the service streams games directly to laptops, desktops, smartphones, tablets, and compatible smart TVs as long as users have a stable internet connection. GeForce Now does not require users to repurchase games. Instead, players can link their existing libraries from platforms such as Steam, Epic Game Store, Ubisoft Connect, and Xbox and stream supported titles directly from the cloud. New York becomes first US state to impose data center moratorium. The New York has become the first US state to impose a moratorium on new data centers, with Governor Kathy Hochul announcing a one-year pause for large AI-focused facilities. Hochul signed an executive order temporarily halting the state permitting process for proposed hyperscale data centers with an electrical capacity exceeding 50 megawatts. Stripe Advent reportedly make $53 billion bid to take over PayPal. Payments company Stripe and private equity firm Advent International have jointly submitted a $60.50 per share bid to acquire PayPal Holdings Inc. It is reported that the proposed deal values the digital payments giant at more than $53 billion. The offer made earlier this month is supported by approximately $50 billion in committed bank financing. Andhra Pradesh government approved 91 acres land allotment for logistics park in Vizag. The Andhra Pradesh government has approved the allotment of 91.38 acres of land in Kanamam village, Ananthapuram Mandal, Vishakhapatnam district for the development of a logistics and light industrial park aimed at supporting the warehousing and storage needs of Google's proposed India AI hub in the city. The land has been allotted to Ecobox Industrial Asset 4 Private Limited at a price of 55 lakhs per acre. The project is expected to attract an investment of 1,008 crores and create approximately 5,000 employment opportunities. ASML works to ship chip making tools faster to meet AI demand. ASML Holding NV is aiming to reduce the time required to build and test its advanced lithography systems by nearly one third, as surging demand for AI driven semiconductor production puts pressure on manufacturing capacity, according to the company's chief financial officer. It produces the advanced extreme ultraviolet lithography machines that are critical for manufacturing next generation semiconductors. With AI fueling strong demand for these systems, ASML is working to accelerate production. While deliveries of EUV machines typically take more than a year from the time an order is placed, the internal production and testing phase stood at around 22 weeks just a few quarters ago. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow VARINDIA magazine. You can download VARINDIA app from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.